Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Miss Jackie Russell here. Hey guys, how are you doing today? We've been having some better weather here. I'm not floating away and there's not any bad storms, and we've been having our electricity just fine and dandy. So I'm proud to announce that I'm kind of getting back on track here. I'm trying to catch up with all my boxes, and today I have a special one. It is the Barkbox, and you can tell the dogs are nibbling on it, and I have clipped the underneath here, and I will be taping that back because they need to finish getting everything out. But I wanted to go ahead and record what is in the box, and I wanted to be able to show it to you guys. And it says Barkbox on the box every month, Barkbox, and it is a subscription that runs $24.99 a month. You get 2 toys and 3 treats, and if you want to pay like $10 more, you can get 3 toys and 3 treats, and it is about $34.99, and there could be shipping added on there. So just keep that in mind. I'm sure there's tax. There's always tax, right? But this is the May box, and we're going to pop in here and see what's in here. If you have a dog, I would highly recommend this box. Now this is our little theme, and it looks like we're at Boops and Scoops, it looks like. So that's kind of cute. It says cones and shakes. Don't you know that your dog would like an ice cream cone or a shake? Yeah, they would just be licking that up. There's a little sneak peek, and let's see what our little product card says. We've got Boops and Scoops and Hey Pup, and they just got a little fun activity, I suppose, for your dog. If they could read it, they'd probably love it. It's always kind of cute. Looking for the right playtime flavor? Talk to us. So they give us a little bit of ideas. And then here are the toys that we could have in our box. And I'm sure we're going to have a couple of them. Right now, I think we have one of these, or this one. We've got one of those. Not sure which one it is. And it looks like we have this over here. So we're going to take a look at those 2 toys. I will tell you their toys are very sturdy. And I'm going to put this back in the box the way it was, and then the dogs are going to get this out here, and I'll have that footage at the end. So I'm pre-recording this for just so that I can get it completed, and then I'll add on the footage at the end. But our first toy is the Choco, and this is a squeaker toy, and it's in a little bag. It's 2 in 1, so it's kind of like a little waffle cone type thing. So they'll be able to squeak it, and it'll make all that little shaker noise. And it's an extra small because I have small dogs, so you can buy your box for small, medium, or large. And then it looks like we got a slobbery cone of shame. So a little ice cream cone for them to slobber on, and it's got that crinkle paper in it. And like I said, the toys are made very well. They're just very well put together. It's got a squeaker in it. And that's our 2 toys. Then we always get some chews. And then this is our pumpkin and honey recipe chews. And my dogs love these. They're really good. They're not overly too hard, but they're just right for chewing on. And then this month we got Garble jerky bars, turkey recipe, and you'll notice that most all of mine will say non-GMO, no grains added. This is USA grade turkey because I am real particular. I don't feed my dogs any sodium nitrates. Anything that's got sodium nitrates is not in my house. Not even for human consumption, much less my dogs. And then I can't say I'm completely GMO free myself, but I'm pretty close to GMO free for myself. But I'm definitely GMO free for my dogs, soy free, dairy free, grain free, well, a little bit of rice. So it's not totally free of everything, but on these treats, they are GMO and they're grain free. Alright guys, enough of that. We got some Clucky Yummies, and this is chicken recipe, and these are going to be like, you can kind of see in there, little bitty treats for them to munch on. Some more tasties, and like I said, they really like their treats. and they like their jerky meats. Everything that they send from the Barkbox is excellent, and I would highly recommend the Barkbox. So just as a recap, and I'm going to put this back in here the way I found it, is we have our product card. We have our garbled jerky bars. We have our Clucky Yummies, our chicken recipe. We've got our pumpkin recipe and honey chews. We got our 2 toys, and we'll put those back in here. I'm going to close this box back up, and as I told you guys, I am going to tape it back down, and you can tell they've already got a little bit of it going on here. So the next time you see this box, it'll have a bigger hole in it, and they'll have successfully gotten into their own Barkbox. That is what I do every month when I get the Barkbox, and I'm not going to stop it. I just wanted to get it filmed. So if you have any questions, let me know. Did you have a favorite item? They used to send codes, but they don't do that anymore. So my recommendation would be just to go to their site, and if they're having any specials, they'll probably pop it up on the website. But as for today, that's all I have. Be sure and look down in the descriptions for any giveaways, collaborations that are going on. I've got several that are or have gone on. And of course, I've got giveaways out there. So that's all I have. So as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye. And don't forget, footage at the end of the doggies breaking into their box. Bye. Well, it's getting time for Barkbox. They're starting to be king of the mountain. And they're slowly coming over here and checking it out. They've even been chewing on it a little bit. There we go. Yeah. So we'll see how they do. We'll see how they do. They're making some progress. We got a mulchy poo. We got a couple of mulchy poos. And there's little Zeus. Yeah, he's still with us. Yeah, you are. You are. You're not going to get into the box, are you? There you are. He comes in for appearance and then leaves. These guys are steady at it. Yeah, that's Susie wants to be in the picture. Check it out. So we have Magic, and his little buddy there is our little Parson Russell. She's out of Tula and Charlie, and she's a beauty. She's going to be living down in Victoria, Texas. Yeah. Oh, well, they got off their Barkbox. They are chewing it up. They have made a little more progress since she's seen the video. They're getting close to getting it opened up. Yes, they are. Hello there, cutie pie. How are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing? I'll be back. Are you making progress? Look at this little tiny boy. His name's Robyn. He's like 12 or 11 ounces. Little cheepoos they are. That's right, little cheepoos. Yeah, the little females are available. Yeah, that's you, right? Okay, well, he's still working at it. We'll come back and check. For sure wants in that box. Yeah, you know there's goodies in there, don't you? He's concentrating on it. Looks like Maggie's got it. Get it, Maggie, get it. Get it, Maggie, get it. Uh-oh. Are you going to get it, Dawson? Who's going to get it? Who's going to get it? Barkbox. Oh, Maggie got it. Barkbox is over. This was a short one. They just made a little hole to get those toys out this time. They're off and playing. Y'all still playing with the Barkbox the next day? Yep, guys, this is next day. They still just want to chew on the Barkbox. It's their favorite pastime. Yeah, there's the little chew-poos. The little bitty babies. Yeah. They're actually 10 weeks old. They're just tiny. They have decided that they'll play with the toy and that they'll drag the product cart around. Yeah, they're just busy little beavers. Isn't that right? They're fascinated with the box.